Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I am Nirmal. I welcome you all for this special, very good announcement for the students who wish to develop their career in management immediately after 12th standard. So my dear students, if you are, you can say in your 12th standard and you wish to develop career in management, wherein you wish to do integrated program in management, wherein you want to do BBA, MBA in one go, one of the wonderful opportunity available to you through the best institutes in the country for management are known as IIMs. So, my dear students, this is after 12th integrated program in management. You can say IIM Indore was very much known for it. IIM Rohtak was also a known institute for IPM. Now, this year onwards, two new programs are coming up, which IIM Bodh Gaya and IIM Ranchi. Okay, IIM Bodh Gaya and IIM Ranchi are the new. They are starting from 2021. Okay, these are the old institutes. Okay, this is integrated program, 5-year integrated program. You may ask, sir, in this integrated program, BBA and MBA are provided. I wish to leave from its you can say BBA program and do my MBA from some other institute. Is it possible? Indeed, it is possible. In fact, this year, one of the IIM Indore student is a topper in CAT. Yes, this is very interesting. So you can appear for an entrance examination known as CAT. Okay, great. So this 5-year integrated course are as of now available into this programs. Apart from that, you have a very good program available at Nirma University in Ahmedabad. If you are interested to come to the Western India, study at Ahmedabad, Nirma University offers wonderful 5-year integrated program. My dear students, in all these colleges, BBA fee structure are in the range of some around 12 lakhs to 16 lakhs. So IIM Ranchi has clearly mentioned that it is of 14 lakhs for BBA. Okay, and then the MBA program will be MBA program fees will be at par with their MBA program. Yes or no? Wherein students are coming to that college through CAT. Okay, so in case you do not wish to get into lower school after your graduation and you want to upgrade yourself, this is the best opportunity for you. Make sure that you prepare for this. I'm sure you are aware that ProTalent trains students for IIM IPM program as well. Yes or no? Great. Okay, coming to, you can say, eligibility criteria. My dear students, eligibility is a very important part, but your selection will not be based on these numbers. Okay, let me tell you this. Number one, eligibility is minimum 60 percentage in 10th and 12th for IIM Ranchi. My dear students, this is specifically for IIM Ranchi. Okay, great. Okay, so this is 60 percentage, and for SC and ST it is 55 percentage. Okay, percentage of marks is to be counted. Okay, this 60 percentage or 55 percentage is to be counted as per the board's direction. If a board tells top 4 subjects, okay, then they will count it through top 4. If board is, let's say, silent on it, then they will calculate aggregate. Okay, they will calculate aggregate. Remember, it is 10th and 12th both. Okay, you must score minimum 60 percentage. But my dear students, it is not just the only way. There are few other things to get into admission for IIM Ranchi. IIM Ranchi goes in a little different way. IIM Ranchi does not have their own admission test. I'm sure you know IIM Indore has their own aptitude test. Here, Ranchi says that we are going to take the scores of SAT. You know SAT? Yes, Scholastic Aptitude Test. Okay, you can take this examination, SAT. That score will be counted plus written ability test. Those students who scored well in SET, they will be shortlisted for written ability test and personal interview, which will be conducted at Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Ranchi. These are the places they will be conducting. You can say after that, after your WET, personal interview, your SET exam score plus your overall academic score together, that is 10th and 12th marks plus your PI plus WET plus your SET score together, they will be, you can say, giving you score, and based on that they will select you for the college. My dear students, you may ask, sir, how do we prepare for SAT then? Don't worry, we are going to give you complete guidance for that. So give you more videos which are going to come for this. But what is very important is SET exam scores. You can say SET exam will be coming in the month of March. The next exam will come in the month of May. Okay, you may think, sir, can we prepare for March exam? Yes, it is possible. Number one. Number two, if your family income is less than 8 lakh rupees per annum, okay, then you get 90 percentage scholarship in SET exam fee. SET exam fee has to be paid in dollars, but you can say if your family income is less, then it is 90 percentage. If it is between 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs, you will pay discounted price accordingly, and more than 15 lakhs you will pay full. Okay, but this discount is applicable till 1st of January. Yes, my dear students, please visit IIM Ranchi's site and apply for SAT. Okay, in fact, whatever the syllabus is for SAT, all videos are already provided. We are going to give you new videos, new content, okay, for SAT as well. So don't worry about it. Yes, but this is wonderful opportunity. One more college available with 120 seats. 60 seats are for general category. The rest of them are for SC, ST and OBC. Yes or no? So that means for new 60 seats, it is a good idea that we can compete for this college. Yes, great. So my dear students, don't wait for anything. Okay, go and apply for this. Okay, all the links are provided in the description. Please go through them. Okay, thank you very much for watching this, and all the best for your preparation.